connais wap crier, baby, mais faut Haïti moins poilé, Miami wap crité. Pas ouais qui j'en comment, l'amour ça poil dire. Vous voulez pour me continuer, écris
Waiting for the Prime.
No, please. This here is my most favorite RAV4 trim and generation of all.
Really, I'm really digging it.
Mm-hmm.
With these gas prices, any of these hybrids. What's really nice about this, I mean, you see there's a bunch of the full electrics over there, but you're kind of limited. This gives you that freedom, but you don't have to worry about it. You go 40 miles, I use a drop of gas, it runs out, it goes right to the 40 mpg.
Yeah.
And then you plug it in when it's convenient for you. You want to roll down to Miami, you jump in the Singo, you can't just do that.
This will be my first car once I graduate in 2 years, maybe.
The icing on the cake is, I'm about to show you, it's got really good power.
All right.
She moves.
Speedometer.
That's the anti-lock brake kicking it, will not let it skid. I bury my foot as hard as I can, it won't skid. Even if it was slippery. If you want, it's got, in the EV mode, without the gas, it'll go 84 miles per hour. So you got you covered. The reason they kind of picked 40 was the average person could go to work and back on 40 miles, not use a drop of gas. And there's quite a few that might go further than that, but a lot of those can plug in when they get to work.
Yeah, I cannot wait to see you swerve on the thing that you did last time.
And then all-wheel drive, it's got the electric motor in the back. Only comes in when you need full power, like the straight, or if I need traction, she kicks in. She's kicking in right now.
Right.
You don't do anything, it just does it all. It's all in the software.
Right.
And it's got really good handling.
Yep, you see how you swerve? This is what we needed, just like the Supra. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Have a good day.
Oh, thank you.
Willy long,
Ah Willy long long, baby Lee long.
t'es dur long distance là pas tap marché.
Ah Willy long long, baby Lee long.
Koto tande l'amour jambe de l'eau, baby pas noyé. T'es dur long distance là pas tap marché.
Ah Willy long long, baby Lee.